This is the new Volkswagen ID Polo, the production version of the ID2, all-concept first unveiled a couple of years ago. The compact electric hatchback is scheduled to go on sale in 2026 and will sit at the entry point of Volkswagen's EV lineup. At the front, the ID Polo features a short, sloping bonnet paired with slim headlights that closely resemble those on the larger Volkswagen ID7. A light-up VW badge sits prominently between them, continuing a design trend already seen on the latest T-Roc and Tiguan. The side profile is relatively clean, with the most notable detail being the hidden rear door handles. Around the back, the ID Polo adopts a sportier-look roof-mounted spoiler and a chunky full-width LED light bar, both carried over from the ID2 all-concept.
In audio. In audio. In audio.
Volkswagen has also revealed the interior of the ID Polo, which adopts a clean and functional layout. A 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, complemented by a large 13-inch touchscreen positioned at the center of the dashboard. Below the touchscreen is a row of physical buttons for key climate functions, including fan speed, temperature adjustment, and the hazard lights. The infotainment display also features a fixed shortcut bar, allowing quick access to heated seat controls and more detailed climate settings. The steering wheel itself is fitted with an array of physical buttons, providing direct control over cruise control, audio volume, track selection, and various vehicle settings. Sustainability is a key focus for the new ID Polo. All textile materials used in the seats, door panels, upper headliner sections, and carpets are made entirely from recycled polyethylene terephthalate, a thermoplastic commonly sourced from recycled plastic bottles. At launch, the ID Polo will be offered with 2 battery options and 3 front-mounted electric motors, producing 114 horsepower, 133 horsepower, and 208 horsepower. A higher performance GDI variant with 223 horsepower is expected to join the range the following year. Battery choices include a 37 kilowatt-hour pack and a more advanced 52 kilowatt-hour battery featuring cell-to-pack construction.